Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, we're doing problem number 32 from chapter 5. It's asking, suppose you could buy shoes one at a time rather than in pairs. What do you predict the cross-price elasticity for left shoes and right shoes would be? So I've gone ahead and drawn out the formula for cross-price elasticity, and that's going to be percent change in quantity demanded of good A divided by percent change in price of good B. Now, let's think logically about shoes. So a left shoe and a right shoe are going to be complements, right? Because if you buy a left shoe, you're going to want to buy a right shoe. And if you buy a right shoe, you're going to want to buy a left shoe. You're not going to want to buy two left shoes. You're not going to want to buy two right shoes. And you're probably not going to want to buy just one shoe. And there's a rule that says that for complements, the cross price elasticity of demand is going to be negative. So what do we predict it would be here? Well, we predict it would be negative. You can also think about this logically without knowing that rule. And just think that if an increase in the price of right shoes occurred, what are we going to want to do about our consumption of left shoes? So if an increase in the price of right shoes happened, people are going to want to buy fewer right shoes. And if people are buying fewer right shoes, they're going to be in turn buying fewer left shoes. Because again, you don't really buy just a right shoe. You buy a right shoe and a